Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard, the Stamps of Life, and this video is going to share with you some items that you might not be able to get because they're limited edition. I hope you're able to get in on them. The first one I have to share with you is some embellishments called Sunny embellishments. We have a washi tape, we have 2 ribbons, we have some yellow brads, we have some yellow twine, and some postage sticker. Let me show them to you. Postage sticker puffy stickers. Once this sticker set, once this Sunny embellishment set is gone, if you don't see it on the website, that means it's gone. So get it quick. Another limited edition item we're going to put on the website right now is the By the Sea collection. Now this one is really fun because this one has a lot of cutout sheets for the sunglasses, for the sand castle, for the fish tank, for the fish. Oh my goodness, look how cute those fish are. Oh my goodness, I love this. And ooh, the shark, the pudgy shark. Everybody loves the pudgy shark. And so now if you, the shells, if you need some cutout sheets, boom, there you go. These are all about By the Sea. Now, By the Sea also, dun, 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 Pacific ink. I know so many of you are waiting for this Pacific ink. Now is your chance to get it. Yay, finally. Woo, right? Okay, Pacific ink. Also, Pacific ink will always be in stock. Don't worry, it's not limited. Also, the Seahorse Slimline. Now, the Seahorse Slimline is really fun because it also comes with a sand dollar and 2 different shells. I know, isn't it adorable? So some of you might have already gotten these items in one of our kits, the By the Sea kit. But if you weren't able to get in on that By the Sea kit, now is your chance to get them. And of course, you're going to want extra of those paper pads, right? Now, another item that we're re-releasing is we only have a limited edition of these, you guys. So we actually were able to pack a couple more from our class that we had. This is our fall class that we did with those amazing leaves, especially the dies. Those dies are amazing. And so this is the online class. You get to watch the pre-recorded video. You are getting the stamps. You are getting the gatefold card for A1 and all of those. I'm sorry, this is not the gatefold card. This is the fold-over card. This is the A1 fold-over card with the leaf. Oh my goodness, you're gonna love this one, you guys. These dies, by the way, are to die for. No pun intended. My friends, there's also dies on the back. Don't forget that. And you're getting an amazing stencil set that goes with the stamps and the dies. And you get the online class, which is amazing. So go check that out. Again, once this is gone, it is gone. So get this quick, just saying. Club members, you know the deal. You're getting the club discount on all of these products. If you're not in the club, what can I say? You got to subscribe because it's only $13.99 a month for the Stamp Club. That gets you the club discount, 15% off the entire website every single day, every single order, as long as you're a club member. The monthly commitment is only 3 months. So after 3 months, if you're like going, ugh, this is just not for me, yes, you can cancel. We will cry that night, but you can cancel. But chances are you are going to fall madly in love with not only getting the discount, but earning club points. And you're going to get that club gift certificate at the end of your full year that you've been in the club. And freebies. We send out freebies every couple months. Why? Because we love you. So go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. And you know what? I'm going to see you there. Bye-bye. so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.